Hello and welcome to this lecture series of artificial intelligence. Today we are going to see what is problem solving in AI. So in this lecture we are going to cover what is a problem and how do we define a problem, how do we describe, means what is the description of a problem, what are the parameters that are required to describe a problem, and then we are going to see what is a problem solution. Okay, and then we are going to see an example and we will be demonstrating the same thing over there. Okay, so a definition of a problem. So what is a problem? Problem consists of a description of current state of the world here being meant by the current scenario inside your thing, means in other words we can say your surrounding. It may not be the actual world that we are living, but it may be a small room, it may be a house, it may be, let's say, software environment or somewhat like that. Okay, that is the current state of the world. Actions means transformations from one state to another need some actions. Okay, so actions that can transform from one state to another state. Okay, and desired state means your goal node. Okay, the state that you want to achieve or uh, to reach. Okay, next we are going to see what is the description, means how can we describe a problem, what are the parameters required in that problem. So we can describe a problem using a state space. So state space, as we have discussed in our upcoming in our last lecture, that state space is basically a collection of all the possible states that we can reach from the initial state. Okay, and it should describe everything that is needed to solve the problem, and in addition to that it will also tell you all the things that are not needed in the graph. Okay, means it will tell you all the different solutions, all means different scenarios uh, that you can move to from the initial state, and a solution is a small part of that big state space. Okay, so we are going to see that initial state is your starting state. Okay, goal state, what we mean here is goal state is a state that satisfies a particular condition. For example, I am sitting in my house and I want to go to a shop. So the shop satisfies a particular condition that this shop is having the product that I want to buy. Okay, so that is what my goal node is. Okay, operators here meant by the operators that basically changes the state, uh, and these are basically, there are basically some preconditions and instructions that are provided by these operators also. Okay, so what are the preconditions? Preconditions means preconditions are those that provide partial description of the state of the world that must be true in order to perform the actions. Now in other words we can say what are the preconceptions that we have of the problem. For example, uh, I want to go to a shop from my home. Okay, now my current state is on the road. I'm standing on the road. I'm seeing that in my surrounding that there is a huge jam, so, and the huge traffic. Okay, so based on those conditions I have to take some actions to reach my goal node. If there is no traffic, if there is nothing, so I can take I can walk, or if there is no traffic, then I can take my bike or car, somewhat like that. Okay, so that will be based on certain conditions. And the instructions means the operators provide instruction that how can we change from one state to another state, means what are the actions that are required, what are the instructions that we have to follow to change our current configuration to another configuration. Okay, so in a nutshell we can say a problem solving is a finding the solution, means that it can also be it can also be told as it is basically finding an ordered sequence, okay, of operators that transforms the current state into a goal state. Okay, now it also provides some restrictions, as in restriction such as restriction provides the solution quality. Okay, now restrictions as in finding the shortest sequence, finding the least expensive sequence, defining the cost. Okay, so these are basically the problem descriptions. Now we'll see what is the problem solution. How can we identify this problem solution? Now in state space, a solution is the path from the initial state to the goal state. In other words, in the state space we had seen the solution is basically a part of that big space, state space. Okay, so how can we define the solution? A solution cost function. okay, is implemented over here, and that solution cost function assigns a numeric cost to each path. Okay, it also gives the cost of applying the operators to the state. Okay, and a solution quality is also maintained in the problem solving technique. The solution quality is measured by the path cost, that how much path that we have to cover to reach from my goal, my current state or my initial state to that goal state. Okay, usually the optimal solution has the lowest path among all the solutions. Okay, so this was all about the problem. Now we are going to see an example by which we can understand it even better. Now this is a problem of 8 puzzle. Okay, it is basically a game, and in this in the diagram you can see that there are two configurations. The initial configuration, there are 9 tiles, okay, and one tile is empty, and there are 8 tiles that are filled with numbers, that is 1 to 8. Okay, and we have to move the number tiles in place of this empty tile. So in this initial configuration I can move this tile 3 downwards, and the tile 6 to the right side, and the tile 4 to the upward direction. Okay, in this way I can move the tiles. Okay, and in this way, by moving them, I have to reach from this initial configuration to this final configuration. So what are the, how can we describe this problem? We can describe this problem using the state space. What is the state space? State space is basically the configuration of all the 8 tiles on the board. That how are these 8 tiles ordered? Okay, means how these are maintained, or how these means how these are formed. Okay, how these are, let's say, ordered in this particular configuration. Okay, initial state can be any configuration, it can be any means it can be in any format. Okay, goal state is basically a specific order that we have to reach. Okay, now actions here is what the tile movements. Okay, now what are the preconditions over here? We are talking about the operators, so there are some conditions means the condition is to move within the board. We cannot move out of that board. Okay, we cannot take out a number and then fill it with another, that we cannot do. We have to move inside the board only. Okay, and what are the transformation means the actions that we can take over here? Actions are basically we can move the tile either left, right, upwards or downwards. Okay, and the solution is basically we have to find, there can be a number of solutions, there can be 10 solutions, there can be 20 solutions, there can be 100 solutions, but we have to find the solution that are basically least cost. Okay, that those solutions which are least in time, space, or anything like any format it is in, that is basically an optimal solution. Okay, now let's see state space of this particular problem. Now you can see over here there is a root node is basically the initial configuration, or let's say it is a current configuration, current node. Okay, now from this current node we can move to these types of nodes, this type of configuration by moving one tile over left, right, up or down. Okay, so there are, from one node there can be 4 configuration we can obtain, and using this we can make the whole lot of this state space graph. Okay, now in this state space graph, to reach from one node, one state to another state, we have to follow some actions, and if the action is correct, then that order is called the solution to that problem. Okay, now this state space is not complete, this state space is not near to completion, but it is a snapshot of a small configuration inside the state space, the whole state space. But it is to tell you that by using this state space graph we can find the solution, and we can describe the problem, and we can find the conditions by which and the instruction by which we can follow the procedure. Okay, so this was all about the problem solving in AI. So stay tuned for upcoming lectures.